Okay, so my dear 9th standard students, a very warm welcome. This class is a continuation of your previous class only. Okay, so today we have already started with the geographies chapter 9, that is the major tourist centers of Karnataka. There we have gone through the introduction part, where we already have gone through what the introduction means, how the Karnataka's relief features is there, then KSTDC, how they are doing the development of the tourism in the state, everything we have gone through that. Okay, so introduction part we have gone through, and also we have gone through the hill stations of Karnataka. So what are the hill stations that what we have discussed, that Kudremukh, this one Kudremukh hill station of your Chikbalapur district, Nandi Hills. Apart from that, BR Hills, Agumbe sunset spot, okay, Kemanagundi, then Devaraya Durga, Jogi Hills of Chitradurga. So all these things we already have discussed in the previous video. So in this video, what we will do, we will go through this one, waterfalls. That was hill station. Now we will go with the waterfalls of Karnataka. Karnataka has many rivers and its tributaries, so it is home to many waterfalls. What this one is meaning, that Karnataka is having several rivers. Major rivers of India are there in Karnataka. Like your Kaveri is there, Godavari is there, Krishna is there, and also the tributaries. Many tributaries is there, that Saravati, Tungabhadra, we already have discussed in the rivers of water resources of Karnataka. Okay, so Karnataka is having several rivers and its tributaries. So it is the home to many waterfalls. What we know, water, it will falls from a height place, that is known as waterfall. So when you are having a river, you are having rivers and also the tributaries, means water abundance is there in Karnataka. So we will be having the waterfalls also. The Malnad region has many waterfalls. Okay, Malnad regions have many. The Malnad Maidan we have already discussed. Okay, the hilly areas where the rivers are there, tributaries are there, they will go there, and from the hill place only, from a very height place, it will fall down with very much force. That is a hill, that is known as your waterfalls. So the Malnad region has many waterfalls. Uttara Kannada has greater number of waterfalls. Uttara Kannada, they are having several numbers of waterfalls. The highest waterfall in the state as well as of our country is in Shivamoga. Okay, Shivamoga, the place there we are having the highest waterfall in the state and also in the country. It is on the river Saravati and the name is Jogfall. Even this Jogfall is not only it is that the highest waterfall, it attracts the tourist not from the state or India. Several foreign tourists, they used to come and see this Jogfall in India as well as in Karnataka. So what is this? The highest waterfall in the state as well as of our country is in Shivamoga. It is on Saravati river and it falls from a height of 293 meter. Okay, it falls. That's why it is waterfalls, and the height is 293 meter. The water in Jog Falls fall from such a height, from 4 streams are there. Okay, 4 streams are coming there with the water, and they accumulate in one place, and then that water is pouring down from the hill. Okay, so this Jog fall from such a height from 4 streams. What are the name of these 4 streams? One is Raja, one is Rani, one is Roarer, and one is Rocket. So what are the 4 streams which is there accumulating to form this Jog fall? They are Raja, Rani, Roarer and Rocket. Okay, Shivasamudaram in Mandya district forms twin waterfalls. Okay, twin waterfalls. Twin, you know, two. Okay, two waterfalls. They are Gaganachukki and Bharachukki. Okay, what are the names? Gaganachukki and Bharachukki. These are the names of two waterfalls, and their source of river is Kaveri, and the place where it is in Shivasamudram. Near Merkara, there is a refreshing Abe Falls. Okay, this is also famous in Karnataka. Several times I think you people have heard about this Abe Falls. Okay, near Kemanagundi hill station, there is Hebbe Falls. Abe Falls, Hebbe Falls, Jog Falls, they are very much popular in Karnataka. Other important and famous waterfalls are near to Kemanagundi hill station. It's famous Hebbe Falls, then Kalatagiri Falls, then Unchalli Falls. This Unchalli Falls, it is also known as Washington. See, we know that Washington, it's a place in USA. But this falls, okay, Unchalli Falls, it is also known as Washington, means popularly it is known as Washington of Karnataka, and it is in Uttara Kannada district. Okay, Gokat Falls in Belagavi district, Magot Falls, etc. So Karnataka is blessed with rivers and their tributaries, and for that they are the home of waterfalls. Okay, so Karnataka has several waterfalls in them. Okay, and of them we are very much proud that we are having Jog Falls on Saravati river in Shivamogga, which is the not only the state, country's highest, means height wise, the highest waterfall of the country, and it attracts several peoples from the country as well as from other foreign countries also. So these falls is being developed and it's being maintained by KSTDC, of course, and it has a major role in the economic development of our country. Gokat Falls is formed on river Ghataprabha. Okay, Gokat Falls, it's in Belagavi district. Okay, Belagavi district, Gokat Falls, it is formed on Ghataprabha and is famous as the Niagara of Karnataka. Okay, Niagara Fall is the famous waterfall in the world, and the Gokat Falls, which is formed on river Ghataprabha in Karnataka and is famously known as the Niagara of Karnataka. Okay, so with this we have an idea of waterfalls of Karnataka, and the main thing what you have to do is that what type of questions will be coming in the final exam. They may tell that write 2 waterfalls of Karnataka. Okay, in the fill in the blanks it can come that which is the highest waterfall in Karnataka, like this only. So I am telling you several times that you should go through the notes again and again. Okay, then it will be very easy for you to, you don't have to memorize, automatically it will go that Niagara of Karnataka. So Gokat Falls 2-3 times if you means go through the notes with these things, then automatically it will be getting memorized. Like which is the highest fall of waterfall of Karnataka. 2-3 times if a person will go through the notes, and if we see that it is a Jog Falls, it is on Saravati river, it is in Shivamogga. Okay, this thing will be captured in the memory. So that's why I am telling you several times you should go with this thing so that you will be able to do it in a better way. Okay, so that's off now. For now this is okay, and in the next class these twos are over. Okay, wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka we will be starting in the next class. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.